Good morning, students. Now biological classification. The name of chapter is the biological classification. The history of classification is already discussed in previous class. पिछले क्लास में बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन का डेवलपमेंट कैसे कैसे हुआ, किन किन स्टेजों से गुजरते हुए अभी के बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन में हम पहुँचे हैं, इन बातों का डिस्कशन हो चुका है. लास्टली द R.H. Whittaker in 1969, in R.H. Whittaker 1969 proposed the five kingdom system of classification. Five kingdom system of classification, nowadays it is widely accepted by all. According to him, the all organism is divided into the five kingdoms. That kingdoms are kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. One by one, the kingdom Monera. So Monera, its characters: first, they are unicellular. Second, they are prokaryotic type of organization or they are prokaryotic type of cells. They lack any type of cell organelle. ये किसी भी ढंग के सेल ऑर्गेनल इनके पास नहीं है. दे आर ऑटोट्रॉफिक और हेट्रोट्रॉफिक. इनका मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन जो है वो ऑटोट्रॉफिक भी हो सकता है, हेट्रोट्रॉफिक भी हो सकता है. फ्लैजिला हैविंग 9+0 अरेंजमेंट. रिप्रोडक्शन mainly asexual but primitive type of reproduction also present. Primitive type of reproduction also present. The kingdom Monera is microscopic organism. Microscopic organism, its size is so small कि in handful of soil the millions of bacteria are present, the millions of monerans are present inside them. They are cosmopolitan. They are present in everywhere, like in soil, like in air, like in water, like in snow. So each and every places that monerans are present. That monerans are present. Maybe कि that monera in handful, in the plum, millions of microorganism or the bacteria are present. Nowadays only 3 examples are present on the earth, that are the bacteria, BGA, and BGA, that full form is blue-green algae, and the PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism. Only 3 organisms represent the monerans nowadays. Okay. Only 3 examples on the earth. First is the bacteria, second is the blue-green algae, and third is the pleuropneumonia-like organism, that is also in short called as PPLO. One by one, the bacteria. So bacteria are the sole member of the kingdom Monera. On the basis of shape, it is divided into the 4 categories. First is the coccus or cocci, means spherical, round in shape. Second is the bacillus. Bacillus means the rod shaped. Third is the vibro. Vibro means the comma shaped. And the spidilium, मतलब curved or coiled. On the basis of habitat, they are also divided into 2 types. On the basis of shape, they are also divided into 2 types. First is archaea bacteria and second is eubacteria. Archaea bacteria, they present in most harass environment of the world. E.g. halophiles in most saline environment. Thermoacidophiles hot springs. Methanogens in marshy area. आर्की बैक्टीरिया ये जो हैं वो दुनिया के सबसे हैरास्ड इन्वायरमेंट वेयर द लाइफ इज नॉट सर्वाइव जनरली दे आर प्रेजेंट, वहाँ भी ये पाए जाते हैं जहाँ दूसरे जीव सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते हैं. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि हैलोफाइल्स तो मोस्ट सलाइन इन्वायरमेंट, सेकेंड द थर्मोएसिडोफाइल्स तो इन हॉट स्प्रिंग्स और इन बॉइलिंग वाटर above the 100 degree centigrade, and the methanogens in the marshy area, it is the methanogens are also present in the gut of the ruminants and where produce the methane gas, and that methanogens, one question ki why they survive in the most harassed environment. Actually, the constituent of cell wall is different. Why they survive? In harassed environment. Its cell wall is a specific type. Its cell wall composition is specific. They having long chain of lipids, so they can survive in harassed environment. एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बनता है कि ये आर्केई बैक्टीरिया हरास इन्वायरमेंट में कैसे सरवाइव करते हैं. तो एक्चुअली इनके सेल वॉल का कंपोजिशन जो है वो स्पेसिफिक है. दे हैविंग लॉन्ग चेन्स ऑफ लिपिड्स, सो दे कैन सर्वाइव इन हरास इन्वायरमेंट. Second is the eubacteria, also called as the modern bacteria. Eubacteria, also called as modern bacteria. Modern bacteria और ट्रू बैक्टीरिया और साइनोबैक्टीरिया also called as BGA means blue green algae. तो यू बैक्टीरिया, इनको जो है मॉडर्न बैक्टीरिया भी हम लोग कहते हैं, इसी को हम लोग ट्रू बैक्टीरिया भी कहते हैं, इसी को साइनोबैक्टीरिया भी कहते हैं, और इसी को BGA ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी भी कहा जाता है। ये बैक्टीरिया भी जो हैं एवरीवेयर, हर जगह पाए जाते हैं, और मोस्ट एविडेंट बैक्टीरिया, सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन बैक्टीरिया है जिनको लोग कॉमनली बैक्टीरिया के नाम से जाने जाते हैं, यही यू बैक्टीरिया है। यू बैक्टीरिया ये टू टाइप्स, दो तरह के हो सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इज फोटोसिंथेटिक, फर्स्ट इज autotrophic, and second is heterotrophic. Autotrophic bacteria also divided into two types: photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. हेट्रोट्रॉफिक बैक्टीरिया ये भी दो भाग में बंट सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इज पैरासाइट एंड सेकेंड इज डिकम्पोजर। अब ऑटोट्रॉफिक बैक्टीरिया का क्या मतलब हुआ? ऑटोट्रॉफिक का बैक्टीरिया का मतलब हुआ कि ये अपना फूड स्वयं सिंथेसाइज कर लेते हैं विथ द हेल्प ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन और द सनलाइट। सो इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू द टू पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट इज द फोटोऑटोट्रॉफ्स। फोटोऑटोट्रॉफ्स मीन्स कि दे प्रिपेयर फूड in the presence of sunlight, so they are called as photoautotrophs. Second is the chemoautotrophs. For this chemoautotrophs they derive energy by the chemical reaction. They oxidize the nitrate, ammonia or nitrite, and in this reaction the ATP is produced, and that ATP is utilized by the bacteria. For the photosynthetic bacteria or the photoautotrophs, one question कि why they prepare the food by the sunlight? Because they lacking in general all types of cell organelle. Chloroplast is not present, but the chlorophyll is present in the form of thylakoid. So by the thylakoid they prepare the food in the presence of sunlight. Some bacteria in autotrophic bacteria, they may be free living, they may be colonial, they may be in the form of symbiotic association. In the free living bacteria, in colonial bacteria, The whole colony is covered with a mucilaginous sheath, or they may be having the nitrogen fixing cell. That cell is called as heterocyst, by which they fix the atmospheric nitrogen inside the soil. Very good example is Nostoc anaviana. Some bacteria in heterotrophic bacteria, some are parasite and some are decomposer. Parasite means कि they take foods and shelter in the other organism. As for example, they may causes the different types of disease in the animals and plants. E.g. as for example, cholera, typhoid, pneumonia, tetanus, citrus canker, etc. and they damage the organism or human and the plants. Decomposer, that are decompose the organic matter into its constituent and important role in the recycling of the nutrients. ये recycling करते हैं nutrients को और बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल को रेगुलेट होने में मदद करते हैं. पैरासिटिक एक्टिविटीज़ में ये हमें नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं, डिफरेंट तरह के बीमारियों को पैदा करते हैं, लाइक द कॉलेरा, टेटनस, टाइफाइड, etc. सिट्रस कैंकर इन प्लांट्स. तो मे बी they also having the useful activities like the production of useful activities में production of antibiotics, preparation of the curd or the nitrogen fixing activity. Its reproduction is mainly asexual type. ये by the binary fission reproduction asexual by binary fission or spore formation. A primitive type of sexual reproduction also present by the transfer of genetic material. Now the bacteria is completed. इनका रिप्रोडक्शन जो है वो बाइनरी फिजन से होता है या फिर स्पोर फॉर्मेशन से होता है. दैट आर मेनली इन एसेक्सुअल टाइप, बट वेरी फ्यू cases the primitive type of sexual reproduction also present. एक primitive type, starting type of sexual reproduction यहाँ शुरू होता है by the genetic material के ट्रांसफर करने से. अब नेक्स्ट PPLO. It is the smallest cell of the world. They lack cell wall they lack cell wall, only chromatin are present in the protoplasm. They also causes so many disease. सो मैनी डिजीज़। तो PPLO ये दुनिया का सबसे छोटा सेल है, दैट इज ऑल्सो फॉर GK, ये स्मॉलेस्ट सेल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। इनमें सेल वॉल नहीं पाया जाता है, केवल क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल प्रेजेंट रहता है इन द प्रोटोप्लाज्म। दे ऑल्सो कॉजेज सो मेनी डिजीज। नाउ द फिगर ऑफ द PPLO। PPLO आर द वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट or the smallest organization of the world. They having only the cell membrane. Inside the cell membrane the protoplasm is present and the chromatin material are scattered. Next is the eubacteria. Eubacteria, that figure showing the eubacteria. Eubacteria, the content is the cell wall, the outer layer is cell wall, below the cell wall the cell membrane is present. Cell membrane is present. Cell membrane contains the respiratory enzymes by which the respiration takes place. Here the invagination of the cell membrane is present, that is called as mesosome. It helps in duplication of the chromatin. Chromatin is not bounded by the nuclear membrane. It is scattered in the cytoplasm or where it present, that is also called as nucleoli. Ribosomes are scattered in the cytoplasm and that ribosome is 70S type. There are two types of ribosomes, that is the 80S type and the 70S type, but in bacteria 70S type of ribosomes is present. Flagella is also present, but it different from the prokaryotes and other organism of the world. The flagella is 9+0 arrangement.